everybody, it's Liz with Liz Attempts Budgets, and we are here with another penny challenge update. I do have a lot of dollar bills. Everything just kind of got jumbled in my wallet, so I'm just using it all. Not much change, but that's okay. I am going to speed this up and we will organize my change and then we'll count it together. So I'll see you in just a minute. Okay, I am back. Let's go ahead and count this up. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20. So $20 and 10, 20, 30, 40 cents. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So 45 cents. So $20.45. I am going to put this away so it doesn't get to be a mess on my desk. See if this will slide in there. Okay, let's bring this out. We are starting in the middle. I am going to pull this page out as well so that I can make sure the old stuff, the old ink doesn't transfer onto my clothing, because it does have a tendency to do that to me. But let's go ahead and get started. We are starting at $2.86. So minus 2.86. And then minus 2.85. Minus 2.84. And then minus 2.83. And we have finished another row. I'm actually very surprised we finished that because each row is still over 20 bucks. So, and we are just using my change to do this. So let's see what, I think I'm just going to use that one. I don't know which one it was supposed to be next. Let's go ahead and carry on. We have $9.07 left to mark down. So minus 2.82. Minus 2.81. And minus 2.80. Right, so we are done with that marker this week. We'll leave that here for the rest of this row, and then we will need to see if 64 cents is available. It is. All right, So that is going to be the end of this week's penny challenge. We are a lot further along this week than I actually thought we would be. I thought we'd be like down here towards the beginning of that row. But I am so thankful to see that it is moving along. It has been 11 months since I started this, and we are on a journey to save $802. So I will see you in the next one. Until then, thank you for being here with me on this journey to financial security. And until the next one, bye.